Oh God, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskis and sisters, to our reaction channel. And if this is your first time here, let me officially welcome you to our reaction channel. Over here, we react to funny comedy skit. We basically react to any funny any funny contents. Basically, we just want to have a nice time, have a nice laugh, relax after a long day stress. We just come here, check out some videos, and we laugh. We don't do too much. Today we have something quite different. Today I wanted to react to something else. Um, I have some dad jokes. I don't know how you guys appreciate dad jokes, but there are quite some funny dad jokes. So we're going to check out some of these funny dad jokes that are compiled together, and let's see. Hopefully we can, laugh at some of them. I hope some of them don't fly over my head. And by the way, we are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. I don't want to say that, but I just had to say it. We are on our way to 1,000 subscribers. And if you like what we do here and want to be part of the family, just subscribe. And yes, let's check out the video.
What do mermaids wash their fins with? Tide.
The
Okay.
first part was funnier. You should have never thrown out the punchline. That was terrible.
What did the fried rice say to the shrimp?
I mean, the tide one wasn't bad. It wasn't really bad, but it didn't really hit that hard. But it was a cool joke.
What did the fried rice say to the shrimp?
Fry your rice.
Don't walk away from me.
Is that what it says?
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Did you hear Steve Harvey and his wife got into a fight?
That's not real, is it?
Yeah. It was a family feud.
That was a good one. That was a good one, bro. That was a good one. That was a good one. That was a good one. Family Feud.
What's the difference between an orphan and an apple?
I know orphans, bro.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah. What?
At least one gets picked. I'm already...
The other day I was tickling my little brother's
Wait, that one was dark. The orphan and the apple one, that one gets picked. That one is dark, bro. Damn.
feet. And my mum was like, stop it, wait till he's born.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
The other day I was tickling my little brother's feet. And my mum was like, stop it, wait till he's born.
Hitting her little brother's feet. Wait till he's born. I don't get it. Can someone please explain that? I'm trying to get. I don't get it.
It's a pussy joke, Matt.
What do you call a man with no arms and no legs lying in front of your door?
What?
Matt. Process.
I get it. A Matt, because is a name of is a name of a dude. A Matt. That, yeah, okay. That one was quite funny. It was okay.
Why are non-alcoholic beers like going down on your sister?
What?
Because they may taste the same, but it doesn't make it right.
Do you have a sister?
3.
Do they all taste the same?
None of your
What?
business.
Shouldn't be yours, mate.
That's why is she taking this too serious? It was a flipping joke. Relax.
We're very close in the Hamilton family. What do you call children born in a whorehouse?
In a hall house or a whorehouse?
Whorehouse.
Gotcha. What?
Brothel sprouts.
What? That's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Yeah.
What does
What?
a burnt pizza, a pregnant woman, and a frozen beer have in common?
What? A burnt pizza, a frozen beer, and a pregnant woman. A burnt pizza, a frozen beer, and a pregnant woman. I don't know. What?
I'm waiting.
Are you meant to say what?
Oh, so, what?
Someone forgot to pull it out in time.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay, okay. That was cheeky, real cheeky.
Yeah, you got me.
That was cheeky.
What's another name for coming inside a woman?
What? You look worried to say the answer.
I already saw this one. This was part of the previous
Might be
video.
the end of our friendship, Hannah.
This was part of the other video we reacted to. If you haven't seen it, just go check it out. This is part of the other video that we reacted to. The joke didn't even make sense. Like,
What's the joke again? I've forgotten it. You've been laughing for so fucking long.
What's another name for
Coming inside of a woman, yeah.
coming inside of a woman?
What?
Loading the dishwasher.
I still didn't get it. I still don't get it. Loading the dishwasher.
Say it twice, bud.
That's not funny.
I don't know, bro. I don't know about that joke.
It's terrible.
Why is he sweating like that? Damn.
You know why you never see an elephant hiding in a tree? Because they're good at it.
Huh?
Why do elephants paint their balls red?
Wait, what? Why do elephants never hide in a tree? Because they're good at it? You know why you never see an elephant hiding in a tree?
You know why you never see an elephant hiding in a tree? Because they're good at it.
Because they're good at it. What?
Why do elephants paint their balls red?
Do they?
So they can hide in cherry trees. What's the loudest sound in the forest? Giraffes eating cherries.
What? None of the jokes were even funny. I don't know.
What's the best thing about having two dads?
What?
You don't have to celebrate Mother's Day. What's the worst thing about having two dads?
What?
You can hear them celebrating Father's Day.
Ethan, you don't worry about Mother's Day. Celebrate the Father's Day. Why am I not getting these jokes, bro?
Dark dad jokes. Remember, everything in here is purely satire. Why can't you fool an aborted fetus?
Wait. That itself is just funny. Why can't you fool an aborted fetus? Like, how do you even intend to do that? If it's aborted, it's already aborted. Like, why can't you fool an aborted? You know, I want to hear what he has to say, bro. And it better be funny. It better be nice, man.
Because they weren't born yesterday.
Ah. Because they weren't born at all. Damn, that's mad. Yeah, that's really dark, bro. Ah, shit.
How come you never see gay people in wheelchairs?
Why?
Because you can't be a fruit and a vegetable at the same time.
How?
What? You can't be a fruit and a vegetable at the same time? You know, vegetable, like, what it means when you say someone is a vegetable, like they literally can't move anything, but a fruit and a fruit. Yeah, I didn't get that one.
Do Jewish pedophiles get kids?
How?
They say, "Hey kids, you want to buy some candy?"
Chill.
What? I'm still stuck on the gay and wheelchair one.
My grandmother used to tell us a joke. She goes, "Knock, knock."
Who's there?
And she said, "I don't remember," and she'd start to cry.
That's terrible.
never forget it. I started crying when my wife was cutting onions the other day. Onions was such a good dog. One of my favorite childhood memories was building sandcastles with my grandfather. Until my mom took the urn away. That's terrible. That's not a good joke.
It's a bad joke, bro. None of them were funny.
What's black and has 27 tits? The trash bag outside the cancer clinic.
27 tits.
What's yellow and can't swim? A school bus full of children.
I thought you were going to say an
Oh, no.
What do you call a woman who thinks she can do anything a man can do? Wrong.
I was not expecting. I was expecting something close to like a feminist, something close to that. He just said wrong. That's crazy, bro. That's funny. That's funny, bro.
What do you say to a woman with a black eye? Nothing. You already told her twice.
Wow.
Why did my disabled brother fall out of the tree?
What?
Where did the Matildas go after the Soccer World Cup? Back to the kitchen.
What do you call a toddler with no arms or legs?
Ooh.
A light.
What? Fuck.
Oh, you sick.
What? That was good. The whole session was mad, bro. That was a whole dark thing going on right there. That's crazy.
What do you call? What do you? Okay, wait. This is my favorite joke I've got for all of it.
It's better be good.
What do you call a genocidal mass murdering girl with big tits? Titler.
That's your best.
Titla, what the hell? Doesn't even make sense, bro. Titla. Titla. Titla, what?
I deleted all my German friends from my phone.
Why?
Now it's hands-free.
What do you call a blind German?
Oh, so this whole session is just dad jokes, German dad jokes. Okay.
A Nazi.
That was good.
What do you call a blind
A
German?
blind German. Nazi.
A Nazi.
That was good. That was good.
See.
That was good.
Not see.
Now
Nazi. Yeah, that was good. That was a good
What
one.
do you call a lesbian dinosaur?
What?
Lick a lot of puss.
Look a lot of
What's the best
puss.
slide for kids?
Alright.
Your throat.
Bro, what the hell? That was funny, bro.
Did you hear about
Damn.
the guy who was born without eyelids?
The hell?
No, what?
Did you hear about the guy who was born without eyelids? They did a surgery using his foreskin to make him eyelids, and it worked. He's a bit cockeyed, though.
My granddad was complaining about how kids these days can't live without technology. So I unplugged his life support and took his dildo off charge.
What?
I love that you took it off charge. You didn't
Didn't what?
that you didn't unplug the dildo, you just took it
Oh,
off
I
charge.
use it as well, so.
So,
It's the family dildo.
is it double?
The family dildo. That's crazy, bro. That's mad.
What is the leading cause of death in lesbians?
Getting...
The dildo being stuck in the pussy. I don't know why I said that.
Your finger stuck.
You see, same thought process.
How would that cause death? Like.
You will cause that. What the hell?
Thumb was.
Why is it the okay? So many questions.
The thumb. Why would you use a thumb to finger yourself, bro? Why?
If the thumb was
If you're
blue from
using
if the
the
thumb,
thumb-
if the thumb was blue from diabetes,
Huh?
it could cause injury. It could happen. It could happen.
Why using your thumb, Alan?
Exactly. That was good. That was so clever, bro. It's a good job. That was so clever.
Yeah, who lost the roast battle now? You don't fuck with me, yeah?
Damn.
Fucking King Kong in this bitch. I'm King Kong in this motherfucker. I run this whole business.
That was funny, bro. Oh, damn. Snap. Oh man, that was funny. I would do more dad jokes. I would do more dad jokes for real. I like this, man. Okay, I think I've found like some niche that I'll definitely be doing more. The cringe TikTok, and dad jokes. And then I think the shit and gigs podcast, like the funny moments. Yeah, I like that one too. So I think I've got about 3 or 4 that I will be doing constantly. Because sometimes I run out of ideas. Like I don't know what I should react to. I want you guys to also like suggest in the comment section what you would like to see me react to, or what you would like to, what you would like us to react to in on this channel. I would really much appreciate that. So having said that, I hope to see you guys on the next video. This was fun to do. I hope you guys are doing great for yourselves, and I'll see you guys at the next video, man. And we out.